name is Ravi Prabhu, and I live in Goa, and I basically doing some research about where to get my cataract operations done. I found Narayana Nethralaya and Dr. Ravi Krishna, and so I've had operations in both eyes, left and right. And preparing for the first operation and talked to Dr. Ravi Krishna and doing my own research as well, which I tested with him, I went in for a Vivity Lens, which is an extended monofocal lens with extended depth of vision. Now, the operations were done with femtosecond laser. They went beautifully, and I'm here actually today for my final checkup and to share my experience of the Vivity Lens. I can say now, after in one case more than 2 months of using the lens, in one case just over 3 months and 2 months, that the lenses work beautifully. I can read close up, I drive, night vision is fantastic. I no halos, no spots, nothing of the sort. So although I'm 62 years old, although I don't feel like I was when I was 22 years old, but I certainly feel much younger than I did before in terms of my vision. This has given me a freedom that I didn't have before. I was quite prepared to wear glasses after the operation, but actually it's not necessary. So thanks to Dr. Ravi Krishna and thanks to the lenses that he's implanted, life has taken a very new and very exciting turn. So many thanks to Narayana Nethralaya. It was worth the journey from Goa each time for the operation to come here.